Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abed Bizari Azman and I will introduce about Salcon Berhad. Salcon Berhad is a leading investment and wastewater engineering firm offering services for investment, design building, water maintenance and wastewater operations. It was established in 1960. This company is listed on the main market in Bursa, Malaysia. The headquarters was in Shah Alam, Selangor, Malaysia, with an emphasis on the investment, design, building, commissioning, operations and maintenance of water and wastewater treatment plants and auxiliary facilities throughout Asia. The group has developed through time into a major water and wastewater engineering organization.
My name is Siti Nur Suhaila Betikarun Nizam and my matric number is 064223. Apex Healthcare Berhad is among the leading healthcare companies listed on Bursa Malaysia that are making a strong presence in the Southeast Asia region. The company started in 1962 by Kitapong, who was the founder of the first Apex drugstore and has since grown to become one of the largest pharmaceutical companies in Malaysia. Apex Healthcare Berhad is in the health and care sector and is primarily involved in the production, marketing and distribution of various types of medicines, rehabilitation devices, and healthcare chestnuts. Apex Healthcare Berhad has established a strong and excellent reputation in the healthcare business in manufacturing pharmaceutical and healthcare products such as tablets, capsules, syrups, creams, treatments, and infusions. The organization has received several awards and recognition for its products and administration, as well as for its corporate social responsibility efforts.
My name is Nur Aina Amira binti Abdullah and my matric number is 065155. EcoBook Holding Berhad is a business established in Malaysia that is involved in investment holding operation and provide management service. Previously known as M. Berhad, the firm changed its name in 2014. It is a digital content and media firm that provides material for consumption through the interaction of various devices and forms of media. Investment holding and content and value-added service are two of its business deviation or segment. In 2018, before this event, the firm was known by name M. Berhad. However, the company is abbreviated as EcoBook. EcoBook Holding Berhad, headquartered in Malaysia, is an industry leader in the fields of engineering, property, and digital media. The firm is responsible for the delivery of innovative projects all over the globe. It was founded in 2004 and listed in Bursa Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur under the main market. We have been in business is more than 15 years. EcoBook have a strong track record of constant development of the year, and its goal is to provide the greatest possible level of design, building and service to its client.
My name is Siti Amzaina and my matric number is 064724. Ajinomoto is a Japanese business with a focus on producing food, seasoning, pharmaceutical, and amino acids. The business has its headquarters in Tokyo, Japan, where it was established in 1909. Monosodium glutamate (MSG), a flavor enhancer popular in Asian cooking, is one of the company's most well-known goods. Under the name Ajinomoto, Cook Do, and Hondashi, Ajinomoto also produces a variety of other foods and seasoning. Ajinomoto produces a variety of medication and dietary supplements in addition to its food-related items, and it is a major player in the pharmaceutical sector. The business is a major manufacturer of amino acids, which are used in a wide range of products like foods, medicine, and animal feed.
My name is Cik Hazwani binti Cik Hassan. My matric number is 064880. Photasco Berhad was established in 2001 and based in Shah Alam, Selangor, Malaysia. The company is listed on the main market of Bursa Malaysia. This company's vision is to be an internationally recognized conglomerate that ensures growth and delivers value for a higher quality of life. The objective of this corporation to its stockholders is to become a multi-billion-dollar company in terms of market capitalization. Photasco Berhad specialises in maintenance, construction, property, energy, hospitality, education, engineering and consultancy services, and trading and manufacturing.
Next, I will explain about analysis performance on the single investment. Based on the performance of the single investment, the expected return analysis is Eco Bull Holding Berhad has the lowest expected return with a value negative 0.00120 compared to other firms, while Apec Healthcare Berhad show a better expected return of 0.00105 compared to 5 other companies. One key difference between the two companies is their market share. Apex hold the larger market share compared to EcoBull. In fact, Apex is a leading provider of healthcare service in Malaysia, capturing over 50% of the markets. Meanwhile, EcoBull is a smaller player with a market share of less than 10%. Another factor that sets Apex apart is their expansion into new markets. Apex is actively expanding their business into markets like China and India. This strategic move is expected to drive future growth and profitability for Apex. EcoBull has not ventured into new markets and is primarily focused on its existing operation.
Next, for the coefficient variation analysis is to measure relative risk of investment. Look at the Apex Healthcare Berhad is the highest CV, which 1,789.60 compared to the other company. A higher CV indicate that the investment is more risk. For the lowest CV is Selcon Berhad negative 10,986.48, that the lower CV is less risk. From this, risk different investment of CV can be compared between Apex Healthcare and Selcon Berhad. Of course, no investment is without risk. So, based from these 5 companies that have different industry that good to invest is healthcare, because of the service that high demand is not likely to change significantly in the future and making good investment. There is several reasons why healthcare is good to invest, because the increasing demand as new technologies. Next, for the consumer and service such as Ajinomoto Malaysia Berhad are products that people need as a regular basis. Ajinomoto products are not basic to the same fluctuation as other industry, but good investment for long term. Ajinomoto is need of consumer that provide investor the opportunity profit from rising stock price.
Next is standard deviation of single investment. Standard deviation is one of the primary tools used by analysts, advisors and portfolio managers to assess risk. Based on the analysis, Ajinomoto has the lowest standard deviation, which is at 0.01322 068 compared to the other company. While EcoBull has the highest standard deviation, which is 0.044749618. Ajinomoto has the lowest risk as the stock is going up and down. EcoBull has the most risk because the stock price varies a lot. The standard deviation reveals how much the stock prices has historically varied around its average price. Ajinomoto has a very high net profit. This indirectly causes more and more investors to be interested.
The volatility of a stock or investment in proportion to the market is measured by the beta. The beta function describes the level of risk about an investment. Apex Healthcare Berhad has the lowest value of 0.526 for to 3 less than 1. Investment is considered less unpredictable than the market. Fortasco Berhad has a beta value of 1.343267775, more than 1. The investment is said to be more uncertain and the price volatility is higher. Apex Healthcare Berhad is a large business that has more resources and is less likely to be affected by changes in the market. This company has a strong balance sheet with 172.64 million net worth in hand. This company also recorded an increase in sales of at least 20% within 5 years. Fortasco Berhad has been linked to various claims of fraud and it has raised various questions about the management of the business. This causes investors to invest less in the company. In addition, this business grows rapidly when the economy grows and vice versa. This is because this business is related to the general economic cycle.
The majority of investors do not hold individual stocks because they all want high returns but low risk. But these two components have a positive relationship where if the risk is high, then return will also be high. Investors have the option to hold some equities, then eliminate some risk associated with particular stock. For instance, by diversifying it. Portfolio expected return basically estimates how much you expect to earn on each of the investment as well as the risk. The weighted average of the anticipated returns on the stock they make up a portfolio is used to calculate the expected return on that portfolio. The weight is the percentage that investors invest in a company's stocks. To get the portfolio expected return, each company's stock will be multiplied by the weight and single expected return investment, and the result we got negative 0.001. The expected return of a portfolio has a significant impact on security analysis for performance evaluation or as a guide for investment selection.
So now I will talk about standard deviation portfolio. Your risk tolerance and investing objectives will determine whether or not a portfolio standard deviation of 0.7454 is a favorable standard deviation. A portfolio with a standard deviation of 0.7454 might be too hazardous for you if you are risk averse. If a portfolio has a lower standard deviation, you might want to think about investing in it. A portfolio with standard deviation of 0.7454 can be suitable choice if you are willing to take the additional risk.
Portfolio price change is predicted to be 55.56% volatile due to beta value of 0.5556. This suggests that the portfolio may be less risky than the market and implies returns may be lower. So, the investor have to look for a beta with a larger value if they want a high return for each value invested.
We create systematic risk relative to the market where it is normalized to 1. Based on the SMA line, we can see that all securities are below the SMA line, which aggregates all overvalued securities. Overvalued securities occurs when the expected return is greater than the required rate of return. The market beta is 1, so if the beta of a securities is more than 1, this can have more unpredictable effects such as returns that are volatile and risky. We get 2.94% as the risk-free rate taken on 3-month Malaysian government bonds and our market risk premium of 0.33 as a result of the risk-free rate minus market return 3.27%. The line we get when plotting the beta and expected return for different securities. Higher beta, there will be higher systematic risk. Investors will demand higher returns.
For the conclusion, with an extensive network of hospitals, clinic and pharmacy, Apex is a leading healthcare provider in Malaysia. Apex is the best company when compared to the other 4 companies. Apex has the best expected return due to their increased revenue and net income. Beta of this company is also low and low risk. They have greater research and are less likely to be affected by market fluctuation.